Okay, so we are going to be evaluating the integral of secant power 4x dx. So the next thing we are going to rewrite the integrand. So integral of secant power 4x dx equals integral of secant square x into secant square x dx, that equals integral of, we know that secant square x is 1 plus tan square x into secant square x dx. Here we know that the derivative of tan x is secant square x. So we evaluate this integral by using u substitution method. So the next thing is, let u equals tan x, that implies du equals secant square x dx. So integral of secant power 4x dx equals integral of 1 plus tan square x is u square and secant square x dx is du, that equals, if you integrate this you will get u plus u power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, that equals u plus u power 3 by 3 plus c, that equals, we know that u is tan x, so that equals tan x plus u cube is tan cube x by 3 plus c. So the integral of secant power 4x dx equals tan x plus tan power 3x by 3 plus c. Thank you.